My name is Stefan Frey, and I'm the owner of the Schlosswerkstatt Garage in Heidenheim, Germany. Every garage needs high-quality tools. This Simplex 40 mallet has a black and red face clamped by the housing. The split head provides two applications. This one is the standard version of the Simplex, which is very well established. Let's have a closer look at this tool, which we use every day here. It is dependable to work with. You have much more power with this model compared to other mallets. We've been using this one here on a daily basis for a year and a half. There is no chipping, which provides advantages regarding safety. The inserts are interchangeable. You change them by opening the screw that secures the housing. This means you can easily replace all parts and refurbish the mallet at a reasonable price. The fiberglass handle has a rubber grip so you can grasp it firmly. For example, if you're struggling to get the ball joint off, you can pull the wishbone down and give it a good hit. Even if you don't have much room. For example, in the wheel case, you have enough force. Absolutely fantastic. This is the Supercraft model. It's a non-rebound mallet with replaceable nylon faces. It has an ergonomic anti-slip handle, so you can hold it tightly and securely even if your hands are dirty. Its long handle gives you maximum impact power. These nylon faces are a huge advantage. There is no chipping even when hitting on steel edges. Provides outstanding safety. Here we have a steering knuckle, a hub. Loosened already. Now let's look at changing wheels, a typical job in a garage. The wheel is stuck. The wheel nuts have been loosened. In our garage, we use the Blackcraft mallet from Halder for this job. What's special about this mallet is that it's non-rebound and fully enclosed with polyurethane. It has tremendous advantages. Anyone who works in a garage knows this problem. It's extremely time-consuming and annoying when the wheels are stuck and you can't get them off. With this mallet, you can get the wheel off without damaging the rim by hitting the aluminum rim from the inside. With a little effort, you can apply a huge amount of force. This mallet makes work much easier. It really is a cool tool.